A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much happy to see you all again. And this video is going to be a most important one for those who are in the end of their graduation and confusing with a lot of things in their mind about their career. And this video will going to be an answer for all your questions that you have about your career. Come on, let's get into the video. Yes, those people who have graduation in the field of the agriculture and allied sector has a number of opportunity to fly in their career. You can go for post graduation in the subject you love, you can do your PhD and you can become a scientist in agriculture or you can become an assistant professor if teaching is your passion or you love teaching. And next thing you can give your state PSC examinations. You can be an agriculture officer or horticulture officer or agriculture extension officer or subject matter specialist in KVKs or you can give UPSC examinations. You can become IAS, IFS, IPS or anything. You can give assistant manager exam in FCI or you can go for NABARD and IFCO exams or you can go for bank exams. There you can become PO, SO, clerk and anything. And yes, there are a lot of opportunities scattered over to make your career. And in case if you want to choose banking as your sector, then everyone's option will be the agriculture field officer. And if there is a question for you as why AFO, then this video will be the answer for your questions. Come on, we can get into the video. And yes, it's not only me and those who are working as agriculture field officer says that if you are an agriculture and allied sector graduate, then it's the golden opportunity for you provided by the IBPS to make your career. And if you want to know what's the reason, watch the video till the end. The first and foremost advantage of choosing this AFO as your career is the level of competition. Yes, in case of other banking examinations, it may be your PO or clerical, anything, you have to compete with millions to reach your position. But in case of your AFO, you have to compete only with few thousands, which means the level of competition will be narrowed down from millions to few thousands in case of your AFO due to the eligibility criteria, which means only the agriculture and allied sector are eligible for this examination. Instead, for other banking examinations, there will be a large eligibility criteria that any graduate can appear for that examinations. And owing to this lower level of competition, you need to secure a little low cutoff to clear off the prelims of your IBPS AFO examination while comparing to the other banking sector examination. And yes, you need not want to secure a full mark or very high mark to clear your prelims, and it will be a little low while comparing to the other banking examinations. Coming to the next and most important thing, the agriculture graduates who are passionate to work in the public sector banks, then I say that EFO will be the best option for them because nowadays major problem among the youngsters is their work life pressure. They may be due to the lack of interest in the work or maybe due to that they may be completely away from the work they dreamt of. But if you are an agriculture graduate and if you are dreaming to become an agriculture field officer, then it not only gives you the satisfaction of working in your dream job, instead, it provides you the satisfaction of working in your core sector too. And I'm damn sure that, however, the job may be good enough, if you are not really interested, then it will be a disastrous hell for you. So, choose your job and career wisely so that you'll be enjoying your life. Coming to the next most important thing, it is the pay scale, benefits, and allowances. I will upload a detailed video about it in the upcoming sessions. The pays, benefits, and allowances are equal for all the scale 1 officers, including your PO. So, in case of your AFO, with the lower level of competition, you can enjoy all the pays, benefits, and allowances equal to that of a PO, where the competition is with millions. So, it is a right choice for you, I say. Coming to the most important thing of a society, it is the social status, and everyone wants to enjoy a socially dignified status, and there is no doubt in that a banker is always welcomed by the society. So there will not be any complaint in the social status, because a banker always enjoys a socially dignified status in the society. And it's all about the video, and I hope you have got answer for all your questions. And I insist you again and again that job and career should be selected based on your interest and not for others sake. It will keep you happy forever, because working in the job you love gives you the utmost satisfaction. So, never ever compromise in that. And we are winding up with this, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you. And thank you for all your supports. And do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you, and see you all again.